Hi, everyone. You know, at Real Vision, we believe in a universal truth. That truth for us, that I think applies for everybody and in their journey through life, is knowledge times tools times network equals success, however you judge success. The key thing for us is those are the elements we're building at Real Vision. But it's the last part, the network, the community, that I think is the multiplier. That's the thing that makes the difference. Once you've got the knowledge, the tools, once you've got the right crowd, the wisdom of the right crowd, where you can do things together, learn from each other, multiply the effects of all of you and all of your learnings, then magic happens. And as you know, we've been building all types of communities at Real Vision. Real Vision itself is a big giant community spreading everywhere from YouTube to Twitter through to the platform. Then the sub communities within it. Recently, many of you know that we had the Real Vision Genesis NFT. That was our first sub community. They're the OGs of our Web3 communities. And they came out of the Pro Crypto group and then subsequently people who bought into that project. In addition, recently we launched the super exclusive RVIP community. Now, this is not a Web3 community per se, but it is a highly networked community of 220 odd people all across the world with different skill sets, experiences, who all want to work together to create an enormously powerful network where they can find opportunities, support each other, and just explore the world together to see what magic they can make. Now, we've started, again, not everybody can afford to be part of the RVIP. Even the OG Genesis is somewhat expensive. But a while ago, we launched something called the Real Vision Collective. That was our catch-all for everybody who was really interested in Web3 and were on their learning journey. They were passionate about learning about it. Most of them were not as deep into the space, or they were real degens and they just wanted to meet more people like them. The Real Vision Collective is this amazing community that's become super vibrant on our Discord channels, on the platform, on Twitter Spaces, on our token gated content with stuff like Elaine's Happy Hour, DGen Happy Hour. It's a really vibrant, buzzing place. We've got Telegram chats, everything's going on all over the place there. And it's an incredibly nice place to learn and support others and be supported by others. Everyone's always there to lend a hand. It's a super nice community. So the artwork for that, because it's NFT based, that we had the idea of bringing together all these communities of other communities in Web3. So there were mashup artworks of different people from Damien Hirst to MFers. But now we're launching the second part, which is season 2. This is cheaper than season 1 because it didn't come with all of the utility of season 1, which was like Real Vision memberships, etc. But this one is there to grow our community. For those of you who haven't yet participated, who are curious in Web3, who want to meet other people, who want to share the failures and the successes of what it's like to be early in an incredibly exciting space. And you'll get access to the same Discord, the Telegram chats, and the functionality that we build on the new Real Vision platform when that comes out soon. So season 2, much like season 1, is a bunch of mashups. And the artwork's cool. And we've got Nakamigos, Crypto Toads and Swole, Sailor Boat, Crypto Dick Butts and Lava Lads, Seize the Meebs, Dead Fellas and Crazies. They're all CCO, which means that anybody has the right Creative Commons license, essentially, that anybody has the right to use the IP. And it's part of the sharing and the openness of the Web3 space. And we wanted to celebrate that. So these NFTs are super cheap. They're, I think, 0.069 ETH. So it's about $125 or so, $120. But what that gives you is the token gated content, the access to the community, and a bunch of the other benefits that come with being in the community. But there's also something else. We like to have a bit of fun and do some different stuff. And within this, there is a grand prize that people who hold the NFT will be entered. Well, 5% of all of the NFT sales will go to buy ETH call options for year end. If you remember, I bought ETH call options in the peak of 2021. I put in 5% of my money and I lost them all, and everybody still laughs at me to this day. This one, the 5% goes into ETH 3,000 call options for year end. So if ETH goes above 3,000, these options are going to be worth money. If it goes to 4,000, who knows? If the whole NFT sells out, there could be $1 million plus there. And that's going to be a grand prize. and we'll split it out that one person will get half of it, and then there's a bunch of others there. It's really exciting and it's fun because it's going to get everybody excited about what ETH's doing, who's going to win the grand prize. And it's just part of the fun. But really, what you're buying the NFT for is to be part of this community. Also, for serious collectors, there's more benefits for collecting the NFT. Some of these will have rarity traits. You won't know, none of the artwork will get revealed until after you've minted. And then you'll see what you've got and you can swap them around and trade them for the other ones. But the rarity traits are the ones that give you special points. And those points eventually take you on a journey to another elite community, the Visionaries Club. So look, there's a lot in here, but basically cool art, amazing community. If you are curious in Web3, get involved. The more of you we can help, the more you can help each other, the better this is all going to be for all of us. And who knows, somebody might win a bloody massive prize at the end of it. Or it could go to zero. It depends. If it doesn't get above 3,000, it'll be worth anything. But that's what it's all about. The fun is in that. If you want more details, there's an incredible magazine. So in the link, you can have a look at the magazine, gives you all the details. If you just want to mint it, just go to realvision.com/mint. Just mint the token. I think we finish at the end of this week. So make sure you get in quickly. We've already sold 2,500, 3,000 of them out of about 9,500. We will hold some back for prizes and other stuff. So get involved quick while you can. Be part of the community. Be a collector. Go on this journey with us. Web3 is part of all of our futures, and it's just a lot of fun. All right, take care.